Good morning, everyone. This is Madiskarteng Tatay. Welcome to my channel. This episode is kind of one of a kind episode. Okay, because this is the special day. Is that like a Mother's Day tomorrow? I'm doing not talking about garden, not talking about plant, not talking about construction. We're talking about food. We're gonna bake, okay? You hear that? Bake. So Marlon can know how to bake? Yes, Marlon know how to bake. Okay? I just want to encourage mom and dad, even without talent in baking. This is the basic, or less than the basic, because we're not doing the dough. All you need is just like to purchase the dough. Okay? Here's the ingredients. Let's start with you should have a cream cheese. The 2 cream cheese, it's just like 250 gram each. Okay? And 1 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, cinnamon. You have butter and honey, and of course you have the instant dough. You don't need to make the dough. You should buy the dough, and that's it. This is the croissant dough. You need 2 of them. Let's get started. Anyway, I'm making the sophaphilia cheesecake. Sounds yummy. Cheesecake. First thing to do is just like the cream cheese, and you need a bowl. Put the 2 cream cheese in a bowl. This is very easy to do. You don't need the talent. Even without talent, you can do this. Okay? Marlon knows how to bake. That's why I created my channel, Madiskarteng Tatay. You know the meaning of Madiskarteng Tatay? Jack of all trades, expert of none. Okay, here you go. The cream cheese there. All you need is the butter, okay? Here you go. Okay. It's not really strong enough. You need more higher. Then now it's time to add the sugar. Time to add the sugar gradually, okay? Or you can use spatula. And you can use like that spatula. your Mother's Day special. See, it's creamy now. So you need to add the vanilla extract. It's 1 teaspoon. Here's 1 teaspoon. Okay. And continue beating. This is Madiskarteng Tatay special. Anyway, for those people who subscribe, thank you so much. For those not yet been subscribed, please do so. Wow, I think it's done. Okay. The creamy sophaphilia cheesecake. Okay. Next step, you should have a 9 by 12 pan like this. See? And then you need to open the croissant bread dough or croissant the dough. Okay, there, see, it's very easy, just twist it and now you have the dough, and then you arrange the dough here, cover the whole thing. There. And you can put the filling on top of the dough. Your cream cheese. Yeah, just spread it. See, look at that. This is a cheesecake. Really yummy cheesecake. Don't forget to preheat the oven at 350 degrees. Okay? Turn on the oven to 350 degrees and now it's heating up. See, look at that. Look at the cream cheese. Really creamy. There, done. And then the other dough should put on top. Okay, this is all done. You put the other dough on top of the cream cheese. Okay, and now gonna bake this one for 30 minutes and 350 degrees. Okay, here you go. Put in the oven. Close. And we're gonna wait for 30 minutes. Okay? See you in after 30 minutes. And now our sophaphilia is done. We're gonna take this one out. Okay, look at that. Smell good. Okay, and then we're gonna put the toppings. Firstly, put the butter. Yeah, just like that. And then some cinnamon. Put some cinnamon. Okay. Like that. Let's rub it. Look at the cinnamon. The last thing is honey. Just like that. See? Wow, look at that. This one is yummy. Yeah, it's up to you if you're gonna put more honey, but I think it's gonna sweet. Okay, here you go. This is our mother's special sophaphilia cream cheese. And then slice it, and then we can share and eat it. Try this one in your home today before the Mother's Day end. Okay? Try this one. So easy, simple recipe that you can say, I baked this one. Okay? Thank you. This is Madiskarteng Tatay, Jack of all trades. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you in my next video.